A chimpanzee is washing a yellow cloth with water from the small pond next to it. Oh, there is soap too. It is rubbing the soap on the cloth with water. It cleans the yellow cloth beautifully. Very nice video to watch. Water is flowing down on the floor. A chimpanzee is there. Oh, it is washing its hands. Suddenly, the chimpanzee starts twist dance on the flowing water. What a great fun! Tap is open. Water is flowing down from the tap. A chimpanzee is washing its face. Oh, washing its head too. It looks it is his regular habit.